Okay, I hope recording is working fine. So welcome to the channel. This is a video for you guys. So in this video I'm gonna show you how do we export the transcript of a screen or a meeting recording. As you as I already I will tell you something about this. Okay, so this is tldv.io. This is a website by which you can just record your everyday meeting free of cost. But there is some kind of limitations, like after some meetings you are not able to copy the transcript as you show here. If I just try to copy the transcript, so it says like TLDT Pro. Actually, you need a Pro version. But in this video, I'm just gonna tell you a hack by which you can just export the transcript without any kind of Pro version, and also you are able to see all the videos. Like this is a this is a video. This is a kind of meeting video. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we export the transcript without the Pro subscription in a free version? So you just need one code over there. So just open the meeting, like as I click on it and I just open the meeting. Okay, it's take little bit of time. Okay, so it's just open it, and I just go there and click on the inspect option over there. And after the inspect option, I just need to go on network tab. Just click on the network tab and then just do refresh. Okay, it's going to refresh it. Okay, it will just load each and everything over here. Just wait a minute, because I hope my internet is not going so good today, but no issue, we will just manage it. Okay, so after the refresh, you just got a lot of things loading here. So in the filter section, just write down okay, transcript. If you click on the transcript, if you just write it down transcript, so it will just filter the transcript over there. And as you see here, there is one folder which is transcript, and there is one JSON file which is also a transcript, which name is also a transcript. So just click on the JSON file, and as you see here, it is a get, and in this section it is option. So we are not going move forward to the option, we will move forward with the get request. So click on the get request, and then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. There is authorization. So this is your authorization code. What you need to do, you need to copy the authorization code after barrier. Just copy the code and then save it somewhere. Okay, I just save it here. And what you need to do next, you need to go to the, okay, just go back, and okay, and just go to the console. Go to the console. As you see here, there's some kind of warning, some kind of get request, some kind of post request. Just write it down, allow pasting. Why we do that? Why we just allowing the pasting over here? Because after this allowance, we are able to paste the code here. Sorry. Uh, this is let me check. I'm allowed. Yeah, I'm allowed to paste. If you are not allowed to paste, then correct the spelling of paste. Maybe there is a spelling issue. And I will just provide you the code over there. This is the code. Just click the code, just copy the code, change the meeting fetch request uh, from the network tab, fetch, copy the URL, and then change the URL this one, and also paste your token here. As you see here, barrier and then token. So copy this code and then paste it here. Paste it here. Change your token here. So what was my token? I just go there and copy the token. As you copy the token here, and then just enter. And okay, just wait a minute, not a minute, just for a second. Yeah, boom, it's downloaded. And then save the transcript. And as you see, so this is the complete transcript. Okay, so this is the complete video which I just want to let you know, like how we are gonna do that, how we will just make it done without any kind of pro subscription. So please hit the subscribe button, like this video if you like the video, and if you want anything else regarding to the DevOps, regarding to the IT, regarding to the softwares, language, anything else, just please comment below here and let me know. If you need anything else, just comment uh, inside this video comment section. I hope everything is going good. Everyone is going good. Good. Okay. Bye bye for today. For today, it is what I want to let you know, guys. Bye bye.